how to make it like this.
Hello, welcome to Gamemaker tutorial. I will tell you how to create your game like this. So this is the game that I create by myself using Gamemaker. So you can create a gun, the enemy can follow you, and even find you when you try to hide yourself. Here you can see they will check the grid also. Okay, yeah, they can hit you and you can shoot them also like this. I also give some animation when it die. Okay, and you can change your gun with different gun like this one, like flame tower, like this. Yeah. And even you can back to first gun and lose it, make it again, change your gun like this, and lose it again. You can also change your characters like transform characters. So maybe I didn't know, maybe you need this for your games. Maybe you want to create game like something else, maybe like this hook. What do you think? Incredible. Hook can also attack, but I'm sorry, I didn't finish the sprite. You can see that. And beside that, I also will show you some enemy also that I create also. Another enemy. So this enemy can lie down like this, and also can attack you like this. Yeah, as you can see the sprite. I didn't scale the sprite. I use a sprite to move like this. You can see also when I jump, you can see lie down animation. I didn't scale the sprite. Yeah, I use a sprite, original sprite. You can see also this stone. I can break it and can build up again. Maybe in some games you need this, maybe for protect yourself from the enemy that shoot you like that, or you can create something like something that protect you. Okay, so I think this is all that I can show you. So thank you for watching my video. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.